Hey guys, it's Payel here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the skincare routine that I follow before going to bed. If you want to know that, then keep on watching. So the first thing I like to do is removing my false lashes. So I pull it up from the front and pick it up, and then I keep it in the box. If they are very dirty, I like to clean it up with the eye makeup remover. Now I am going to take out two cotton pads and take out this eye makeup remover. This is the Garnier oil based eye makeup remover. So I pour out the liquid in both the cotton pads and hold the two cotton pads on my eyes for some time, I think around 15-20 seconds. So this will help to melt the makeup in my eyes, the mascara, the eyeshadow, everything is going to melt because of this oil based cleanser. And see, this is how it is cleaning. So I first clean my eyes, under my eyes, mascara, everything. So I change the side of the cotton pads and make sure to clean all my eye makeup mascara using those cotton pads. Next, the same cotton pad I use for removing my lipstick also, and little bit of the foundation also I clean using those cotton pads. So this is a very basic cleansing which I do using this oil based cleanser. And this is the very basic cleaning, like most of my makeup comes out because of this. And cleaning, the skincare routine before going to bed takes almost 7 to 10 minutes for me, but it feels very refreshing once you get off all the makeup from your face. And after this first cleansing, I like to use a cream based cleansing lotion. This is the Plum Hello Aloe cleansing lotion. So I take 2 to 3 pumps of it and rub it on my hands, and then in a circular motion I apply it on all over my face. So this is going to make sure whatever makeup is left after applying the oil based cleanser, this is going to clean it up. So very gently I like to massage all over my face and slowly in a circular motion near my eyes, jawline, neck, everything. So I keep it for 1 minute, and then I clean up with a damp towel. So as you can see, this is already damp. This is a damp towel. So I rub my face, or I rub off all the makeup and the cleansing lotion, and this way I feel very clean and everything comes out of my face, nothing is left. Sometimes if I'm wearing very strong makeup or kajal or mascara, I repeat this step, means cleaning the face with the cleansing lotion. I repeat this one more time so that I get rid of everything. Next, I am going to take a gentle scrub. So these are basically very gentle daily use gentle scrub. This is the Neutrogena gentle scrub. So this is written in the bottle, it is for daily use, and I like to scrub my face. This will make sure I don't have anything in my face, everything gets clean and all my pores are clean. After rubbing it for 1 minute, I like to wash my face with water. So here you can see I have washed my face, and also I have washed the towel before making it dry. And next I will let it dry for some time, let my face dry for some time, and then I'm going to start my skincare. So First I am going to use a toner and a cotton pad. This is the Plum Toner Tea Tree Lotion. So this is very gentle on my skin, and using the toner I am going to apply it on all over my face. This is going to clean any more makeup left, and all your pores are going to be very clean. And also I am including my neck for every steps. So next I am going to take the eye cream. This is from Bobbi Brown. This is a eye hydrating gel, and I am going to apply it under my eyes, on top of my eyes, near my mouth, near my nose, because those areas I have little bit of pigmentation and those areas becomes dry also for me. So I am adding an extra layer of cream for them. So then I very gently massage under my eyes and near my mouth and let it sit for some time. After that I like to use a oil. This is the body oils of life from Body Shop. So I take a little bit of it and apply it on all over my face. This also I let it set for some time. Then I take out the night cream. This is from Body Shop. Using this night cream I'm going to apply it indoors like this, and then very gently I'm massaging on my face. So that's all about I use for my face before going to bed. And also I'm include everything for my neck also. And finally I am going to use a lip balm. This is the lip balm from Body Shop, and make sure to apply a thick layer of lip balm before going to bed, so that at morning I am going to have very soft lips. So sometimes I use a hand lotion also for my fingers, but I forgot to include this in this video. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.